Did you know that it's incredibly important of how you view people? Because everyone is you pushed out, and essentially what you create and say about other people, you're really just doing to yourself. Well, today I'm going to explain how that works and why we should always think the best and see the best in people. So stay tuned. Amanda here from createyourfuture.co. So I'm a counselor, life coach, and a law of attraction coach. And today we're going to be talking about why it's so important to always see the positive in people and to only talk about the positive and to always intend good things for other people in your life. And it really has to do with everybody as you pushed out. So just before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, definitely subscribe, hit the bell icon below. I do put out new videos every Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. And also, if you would like an awesome law of attraction coach, myself, definitely check out my details below, and that's how you can get in contact with me. So today, we're going to talk about why it's so important to always look at the good in other people, okay? So whether it be manifesting an ex back or maintaining your current relationship, or even just manifesting a specific person, okay? You always want to see the good in them because everybody is you pushed out. So however you decide to create the other person is exactly what you're going to see. So you're really just doing it to yourself. So if I create that Jerry, let's say here, Jerry, my boyfriend, is selfish and stubborn, then that's what I'm going to see back from him because that's what I'm focusing on. That's what I'm creating. So that's what he's going to reflect back to me because he is me pushed out. Okay, so let's say that I'm looking because I'm fighting with my boyfriend a lot, and it's because of those two qualities. Because I'm looking at that, of course, it would upset anybody. So what we would need to do to turn that around is to say, hey, you know what? Jerry is very understanding, he's very easygoing, and he's very forgiving and loving, right? So you would want to create, because now he has me pushed out, I'm going to see that reflected back to me. Let's say that, you're trying to manifest your ex back and you did something that's just completely like absolutely embarrassing. And you're worried that they're never going to forgive you. And in fact, they even said, I'm never going to forgive you. I can't believe you did that. So now we're holding a story that they're not forgiving and they're not understanding. Well, if you hold that story, then that's what you're going to see them reflect back to you. So what you want to do is you want to take that story and change it. My ex Jerry is very understanding and forgiving, and he totally forgives me for everything because he's that kind of a person. So what you want to do, okay, for manifesting back an ex or manifesting a specific person or even fixing or improving any current relationships that you have in your life is listing out all the positive qualities that the other person has or what that you want the other person to have. Okay. And by doing that, you're essentially going to end up seeing it and they're going to reflect it back to you because they are you pushed out. So right now, whoever's in your life, whoever you're having problems with in a relationship with, or trying to manifest back, sit down and write down their name and say they have all these qualities and write them out, right? Understanding, caring, forgiving, loving, and any qualities that they may have showed you in the past saying, I'll never forgive you, say they are very forgiving. And go through and write down everything that you want to see from the other person because your thoughts really do create the characteristics and qualities that the people in your life are going to reflect back to you. Okay, and this is a really important step, especially when you're trying to manifest back an ex or fix your current relationship if you've been fighting a lot or something like that. Because you really only want to see people in the most positive way. Because if you don't, you're really just doing it to yourself. Because remember, nobody in your reality has any free will to think, and they just reflect back to you exactly who you think they are. So always think the best of them, and you'll always get the best back from them. Because you really create everything that you experience, especially in relation to other people with your thoughts. So always see the good in other people and always create that other people are good, positive, understanding, loving, caring, forgiving. Yes. Anyways, that's my video for today. definitely go ahead, give that exercise a try, and, always talk highly of other people, always see the positive in other people, always see the good in other people. Because really, if you don't, you're only doing it to yourself, because they're going to reflect that back to you, and then you're the one that's going to be dealing with it. So you're really just doing it to yourself anyway. So do yourself a favor and always see the good in everybody. And that's also why you should see the positive in other people, is because it gets reflected right back to you. So do yourself a favor and create the people in your life to be loving, supportive, understanding, and all of that. Anyways, that's my video for today. Me and Jerry are going to go ahead and we're going to watch some TV and have some dinner. And you guys, thank you so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. It means so very much to us. And you guys have a great weekend. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Hug.